Hey guys, this is Jared with Heat Press Nation. Today we're really excited to bring to you a new product called Forever Flex Soft. Forever Flex Soft is a laser printed product. It's great for placing single color designs on your shirts or other garments, and best of all, it's totally weedless. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and print our image. You want to make sure that it is mirrored when you send it to print, and also that you're printing on the coated side of the A sheet or also the foil sheet. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is place a piece of parchment paper down. This is going to be to protect our silicone pad. Next comes our A sheet. We're going to place it frosty side up. Next comes the B sheet, and this is going to go white side down. And finally, we're going to cover the entire surface with pieces of parchment paper. And you want to make sure that this is completely covered with parchment paper. You don't want any residue sticking to your upper platen. And also, we do recommend parchment paper over a non-stick sheet in this case, because the non-stick sheet doesn't always allow enough heat to get through to properly transfer. So again, recommending the parchment paper in this situation. So now we're going to slide it in. And our time and temperature are set for 285 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 seconds. Now this is going to vary depending on your heat press and also depending on the printer that you used for your A-foil sheet. The instructions do come with guidelines. I'm going to slide this out. We're going to remove our parchment paper, and we're going to go ahead and do a hot peel on this. Now it's important to peel it immediately after pressing, and you're going to want to do it in one slow, smooth motion while keeping contact with the lower platen. That's important that this stays touching the lower platen as much as possible. You don't want it to cool off before you peel it. Looks like we got a good peel here.
Okay, so one thing you're going to notice after the AB transfer is that you may see a little bit of residue right along the edge. Now this is because the two sheets aren't going to perfectly line up, or one may shift in the AB transfer. Now if you were to press this without trimming, you would have a little strip of foil transfer, which is very undesirable on your garments. The way we take care of this is grabbing a pair of scissors and trimming it along the edge.
Okay, so now that that's been taken care of, we're ready for the second part of this process, which is where we actually transfer it to our shirt. Now first, you're going to want to pre-press your shirt for about 3 to 5 seconds. This is going to get the moisture out of the shirt as well as flattening it out so we have a nice smooth surface for our transfer. Now we're going to go ahead and place our transfer down. Make sure that it's nice and centered. And we're going to cover this with the Pro-Grade non-stick sheet. And we're going to keep our machine at 285 degrees. However, we have lowered the time to 30 seconds. We're going to go ahead and slide this out. We're going to remove the non-stick sheet. Now, this is a cold peel, so you're going to want to leave this down there until it is completely cold. So we're going to go ahead and peel our transfer off now that it's completely cold in a nice, smooth, and even motion. One thing that's important to remember about Flex Soft is for maximum washability, you're going to have to press it one more time after our peel. You can use parchment paper to get a more dull, matte, foil-like finish, or in our case, we're going to use a teflon sheet or Pro-Grade non-stick sheet to get a glossy finish. All right, once you're done with your second press, you're good to go. And there you have it, another beautiful product thanks to Forever Flex Soft. Now, if you have any questions about this product, feel free to give us a call at 1-800 215-0894. And you're welcome to order it on our website as well, heatpressnation.com.